Okay, so bring up your PIstar dashboard. I don't know if you have more than one hotspot. I have 3 hotspots. One for DMR, one for Fusion, and one for D-Star. So here's my C4FM one. We're going to log into configuration. Here we are under MMDVM configuration. I'm going to enable the YSF slider. I'm going to apply changes, 30 to 90 seconds. It should come back up this page. So be patient, but let's proceed. So we're going to scroll down the page, one tab, one block, and System Fusion Configuration. So you're going to drop down that menu. You're going to find YSF, the 303. And then it says dash XLX 303 dash XLX reflector. You're going to choose that. Then we're going to apply changes, and again the node's going to do its magic. Now you're going to have to go into your radio file setting and create whatever channel that you want according to your talk group frequency. Mine's 446-700, and on ham radio venture overland, to gain access to it you need to enable digital ID 17. Save that, write it back to the radio, key up, and you should be on ham radio venture overland communicating with the rest of us. Hope to talk to you there, guys. 7-3. And while you're on XLX 303, check out these other reflectors, talk groups if you will. Got Colorado Severe Weather, which is digital ID 10, Mountain Skywarn, Wears X11, Chit Chat 12, Super Freak 15, PIstar Chat 16, Venture Overland 17, and PRA XLX 720. I'm not sure what that is. It uses 18, and Paranormal has been added to this group with 25, but I don't think the bridge over to Paranormal TGIF talk group 3307 has been set up or established yet. But anyways, it's in the progress. So here's some other ones to check out. So you might want to add 6 or 7 channels to your radio and check out these other groups and these other great folks as well.